Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, this video will be in partnership with Mscoco Hair. They decided to send me a real HD lace wig. Yes, you do have a few people claiming, oh yeah, this is HD lace, but it's not. This is real HD lace, okay? Period. As you can see, you can't even see. So I'm wearing this in a 13x4 real HD lace frontal wig in 20 inches and the texture body wave. I'm loving how nice and full this hair is. So much bounce, like so much movement when I'm moving. No stiff curls, no like curls that ain't full. These are some full curls, okay? Period. So I did a full install, glue down, baby hairs, curls, everything, so you can see how to get your hair looking like this with this wig, of course, and the links for this unit will be in my description box for you to purchase if you'd like to do so. So without further ado, let's jump into today's video. back, and this is the end result. I'm loving my hair right now. Mscoco, you did that. This wig is amazing. It fits so nice and snug on my head, really nice and flat, while these curls are giving nothing but volume. I did no layers, absolutely no layers, and the curls are beautiful. I'm loving this hair right now, loving everything about it. So the specs for this hair, it is a real HD lace wig in 13x4, of course, because it is a frontal unit, and a body wave, as well as 20 inches. So I'm loving it. I'm just living for these curls right now, really, and I have nothing negative to say. It's been amazing working with this wig. I didn't have to install a band in this wig. It's 100% glueless. I decided to glue it down because I'm going on a little trip, but I'm loving it either way. I would definitely recommend for you guys to go ahead and purchase this unit because the links will be in the description box for you to do so. It is an amazing unit, an amazing HD lace. I'm loving it. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Mscoco for sending me this gorgeous wig, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.